Looking for a hassle-free dumpster rental in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts? Look no further than the Dumpster Divers, Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center. At the Dumpster Divers, we redefine dumpster rental services, combining convenience, affordability, and eco-friendly practices. Whether tackling a home renovation, construction project, or simply decluttering, our dumpsters are here to make your waste removal journey smooth and efficient. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs. From small residential cleanups to large-scale construction projects, our team is ready to deliver the perfect dumpster right to your doorstep. But that's not all. We take pride in our commitment to the environment. We ensure your waste is handled responsibly, contributing to a greener Shrewsbury. Experience top-notch dumpster rental services with a local touch. Call us today at 508-925-5245 or visit our website at www.thedumpsterdivers.com. Dumpster Rental Shrewsbury, MA. The Dumpster Divers, your partners in waste management excellence. Let's keep Shrewsbury clean and green together.